In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage your WordPress database using MyAdmin. This is a crucial skill for those who need to maintain and troubleshoot their WordPress sites efficiently. Let's dive right in and start with the basics of accessing MyAdmin, which can be done through two main avenues. If you're using a local server environment like XAMPP, you'll navigate to http://localhost/php/myadmin in your web browser. For those using a web hosting service, you can usually access pmyadmin via your hosting control panel by heading to cPanel and selecting pmyadmin from there. Once you've accessed pmyadmin, the next step is identifying your WordPress database. You'll see a list of databases on the left sidebar. The name of the database you're looking for can usually be found in your wp-config.php file, which is located in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Once you've confirmed the database name, click on it to select it. After selecting your WordPress database, you'll need to locate the WP users table, which contains all the user information for your site. This table might appear with a different prefix, like XYZ users, depending on how your database was set up. But don't worry, just look for the table that ends with users and click on it to open it. Inside the WP users table, you'll see columns containing user data. Key columns to pay attention to include user login, which lists all the usernames, user email, which shows associated email addresses, and user pass, where passwords are stored in an encrypted format. Unfortunately, the passwords are not directly readable due to their encryption, but don't worry, you can reset them if necessary. Let's talk about how to reset a password. Since passwords are stored in an encrypted form using the MD5 hashing algorithm, you'll need to reset it rather than trying to decrypt it. First, locate the user row corresponding to the account you wish to update and click the Edit option to open it. In the User Pass field, you'll notice a drop-down under the Function column. Select MD5 from the drop-down menu. In the Adjacent Value field, type in your desired new password. For example, you might enter new password 123 as a placeholder. Once you've entered the new password, click the Go button to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully reset the password. You can now log into your WordPress site using the username found in the user login column and the new password you just set. This method is a powerful tool in managing your WordPress site's database and ensuring your access credentials are up to date. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy website management.